Komodo?
इधर मत करो, यही नहीं करना है बेटा. Let them feel free. Definitely there are more than two.
It's there.
Where?
There.
Ah. Gentle.
Yeah, that's a great swimmer. There are a lot. See, it's climbing up.
Yeah.
It looks like a crocodile.
Yeah, it looks.
This is a Komodo dragon. There's also another. There.
Yeah, that one I already told you. That is the first one which went that side.
This is the one I found.
No, your one is there, darling. Which went on the other side. There. Look at my finger.
I found a bigger one, right?
Yeah.
I found a big one.
That is also a big.
I found a one for Oh yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, that's the one.
Hey, how come it's spitting? Hey, it's breathing its tongue.
Yeah.
It's breathing. That means it's a real Komodo dragon.
You thought so far it was a fake one? How come?
That's the one I found. The monitor lizard. Monitor lizards, they don't stick their tongue out.
Okay.
The Komodo dragon. Wait, that's the one I found.
Yeah.
The one I found is not so good yet. It's a Komodo dragon in real life. The one I found was the one I found